Okay, so right now I'm going to show you real quick how you're going to turn this in a Google Doc. You should have an album created in Google Photo for the alphabet. Let's say this is one of my photos. So I'm going to click it and open it. All right, meaning you just click on it and open it. Do a right click, copy image, go to Google Docs, do Control V for a paste. Click on it, the picture, then resize it. Okay? Go back here, go to your next photo. This is why you should have it in an album so you can just go straight through them. And they're all organized right there. Right click on that, hit copy image, go back to Google Docs. Oh my goodness. Then you're going to do a Control V for paste. All you need to do from here is then resize it. And it should snap it up next to that one. Get them all nice and even. It's okay if it's a little bit longer than the other one, but you want them the same height. All right. Now you go back to Google Photo, get to your next picture, do a right click, hit copy image, go back to Google Docs and do a Control V. Resize it, and it should snap it next. Now, it did that because I had the other photo still selected. So when I hit paste, it got rid of that one and put that one there. So what I'm going to do is do an undo until I get that picture back. Select off of everything. Do a Control V. There's my third picture. And resize it. And you do that for all 26 letters.